Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to upload images on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. Once you are on the Roblox page, to create or to upload your Roblox images, you just need to tap on this create tab over here, and now you have to guys tap on this menu button and you have to tap on this creation option, and here you have to tap on this development items. Here you can see the image option, but if you want to upload images, you have to use decal option. You have to tap on this upload asset option, and yeah, here you have to upload your images. Image can be in this format: jpg, png, tga and bmp. And here also the constant, like it does the resolution must be less than 8000 by 8000, and not it must be larger than 1024. So or the maximum size should be 20 MB. And here you have to enter the name of the image, and then you have to enter the details here and tap on upload button. So this is my image, and I'm gonna add the name here bird, and let the description be decals, and let's tap on upload. Now once you upload your details, you can use this decal or image as a image source in the Roblox Studio. Just tap on three dot over here and copy the asset ID, and then you can use this asset ID to import your image in the Roblox Studio. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.